Hi students, this video is going to show you quickly how to post something onto the challenge tracker. This is a live document, which means everyone who has access to it can edit it or post to it. Please be respectful of other people's postings. Don't change anything, don't delete anything. If you do, click the back button and undo any changes that you've made. If you accidentally do something to the document that you didn't mean to do, please email me immediately so I can go back in and try to fix it, since our whole class will be live on this document. You can see that there's a number of templates that are posted here. Please just click on those and open them. You don't ever want to change those links or else other people won't be able to access them. Same thing with the examples that I've posted here. So this is basically like any other hyperlink that you're posting. Basically what you do is you just type in the name of the thing you're posting. So for example, if I were to post my anthology poem, I would just write Talbot's poem. And then what I would do is I would highlight Talbot's poem. I'd click on the link button and I would paste the link to my poem in here from Google Drive or from whatever website it was located at, and then I would click apply. And of course you know if your link works or not because it'll become underlined, and then when you hover over it with your mouse you'll see that you can actually click on it. So you can see for Talbot's poem I didn't actually post anything. Okay, remember the challenges that you're doing, you can do them in any order that you'd like, and I'll be updating this and viewing this frequently to check everyone's progress, and also going here if there's something on here you want to that you create that you want to share with the rest of the class. Thanks for watching, and thanks for accepting the challenge.